Well, it's about 5:30 and it just started raining. I just found this blue tarp to put over the water feature. Just in the nick of time. It was hailing there for a second. My lunch bag's still out here, getting wet, but I think I did a pretty good job wrapping that thing up. It's nice and dry. Just gonna have a cigarette and then I'm gonna hit the road, Jack. The skies are looking pretty white, actually. It's not as dark. A little bit darker over that way. But the weather forecast is for crap. Nice over there. I mean, it was beautiful sunshine a few minutes ago. Maybe this is just a squall. But this garden is pretty nice looking. Bamboo. It's got lots of nice plants in it. I don't know why the hell they got me working here. But great old looking, gnarly old tree there. And the water feature. And that's it for now. See you later, sports fans.